Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Club yang Snobhai RahulGandhi Hajorabat Ribhoi Menhaka Arfu Artrik Ukalaling Kod Doba Vincent H. Pala MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Ubadai President. Habab yang Snobhai RahulGandhi hadin bolas dang banyat ya ke Bharat Jodo Niat Yatra hakari baro kaweh berwan poi ha Meghalaya hakinong kitkam ka Kongres kila penkup ya RahulGandhi de karyam khasi ke Ksing ke Nakra. Shilynter lynti ki paidbah kila kaweh daki Lama haduh bana poi ha ophis DTO Nongpoh RahulGandhi ulah hiano da ka bos bat banyat lang bat ki paidbah haduh kamadan paham sim ha ka bakala danru ka jingelang paidbah ban pensngau thu paidbah halor ka jingtmu jongkane ka Bharat Jodo Nya Yatra.
भैया ये टूटा हुआ है नीचे आओ उसके ऊपर पीढ़ी से चल रहा है कहाँ जाना है झंडा का आगे
Dunia kita bom kilawan ong yangi kilayat na shape lano biniai nami ni sasep ngipa.
What about the voice of the people who live in the northeast? What about the voice of the people in Orissa, in Bengal, in Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar?
Kay namta ka sulur ng kibriw kibasa northeast, kibasa West Bengal, kibasa ko Orissa, nagabanta jong kiro kidebeniat. Manipur.
And so we decided that we would do another Bharat Jodo Yatra that would go from Manipur all the way to Maharashtra.
Dina taga daw mangilaray baniya ya kanila Bharat Jodo Yatra hakasin kabaar ng Manipur sa Maharashtra.
And people ask us, why did you start from Manipur?
But kibriw kikilingi balay bisdan na Manipur.
And the reason is because the ideology of the RSS and the BJP has destroyed the idea of Manipur.
Kadaw kalong niyat na Manipur ka RSS bat ka BJP kala penjot ya karukom perkhat perdaing hapok ka jela Manipur.
The politics of hatred and violence has torn the state apart.
Kajingle politics kajing bisni perpihun kala tar lengkap lengkai ya ka jela Manipur.
Hundreds of people have died, thousands of people have lost their property. It is a complete tragedy.
Daki spangot kibriu kilayap, bat daki hajar ngut kiladu ki jaka ki puta ki jonki bat kalong ke basnosi.
And that is why we wanted to send a message to the rest of India about the pain that the people of Manipur are feeling.
Dei na kena kata, ni ko aban pak ka kubor saboro kali India, ya ka jing sitom bat ka kya ka sion jong ka jela Manipur.
It is amazing to me that the Prime Minister of India, after many months, has not even bothered to pay a visit to the people of Manipur.
Kapen sayong ngai nyanga bau Prime Minister menteri India mentara ki bon benai umpat le jengok ya ka jela Manipur.
Is Manipur not an Indian state?
Balai ka Manipur kamde ka jela hapo kari India.
Are the people of Manipur not from the state, from India?
Kinong som ka jela Manipur kinde mo kinong India.
The Prime Minister has travelled to so many states, but he refuses to go to Manipur.
U Prime Minister ulai ki babon ki jela hanre u kentai banlek sepo Manipur.
Brothers and sisters, if the Prime Minister of India wanted to stop the violence in Manipur, he could stop it in 3 days.
Ko henmen ko para ladau Prime Minister uku aban pensanya ia ka dunia umsna mapo Manipur ula aban le tang hapo laisni.
If he told the Indian army that the violence in Manipur should be stopped, I am confident that the Indian army would have stopped the violence within a matter of days.
Ladau om ia kisipai army jong kari India pensanya elo ia kena ka dunia umsna mapo Manipur tang hapo sisni kin salah aban te lakam.
The truth is, he is not interested in stopping the violence in Manipur.
Kajing sisya apa kalong don kajing anul lana kajing perang ban pensanya ia kena kajing ya umsna mapo Manipur.
The government of India
Pangilainya rengkat baru paidbah. Kini ki 1000 kilometer rengkat baru paidbah.
Do you want to come here? Easy.